Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well. Today I got a quick video for you on this impressive GOOLOO jump starter. Well, it's not just a jump starter, it's A7 model which has got the jump starting 6000 amp, which is pretty impressive. You got 160 psi air compressor as well, so pump up your tires for any emergencies, and it even got the vent at the back that you can pump the air mattress or whatever you need. I'll show you that in a second. I have got a completely flat Scirocco here that's been standing for quite a while. I can't even unlock the doors with the key fob, and there's no lights on the dash, so yeah, not very good. And I think it's going to be a perfect opportunity to show you this tool here, how handy it is to have it in your boot for any emergencies. For anyone who will be interested in this after watching this video, I am going to put the link in the description below, and also if I got any discounts I'll put them there as well. So follow the link either on Amazon or on the official website. Have a look, they do different editions as well, smaller ones if you don't need the air compressor. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. It's pretty much quite simple, to be honest. So the unit itself is here. It is quite a big unit. It's not huge, I would say, as you can see, but for what's going on in there and for the power that this gives you, it is not bad at all for the size. And like I said, it still fits in your boot without an issue at all. So the screen is really nice, pretty simple. All the buttons here. You got LED light at the front. You got your rubber cover here for the jump leads to plug into. This is the USB-C, so you can charge the unit itself, so it's fully charged, and I also recommend doing it before you use it for the first time. And you got USB output here if you want to charge your phone or etc. This is where you screw your air compressor hose to connect to your tires. And this is what I was talking to you about. You can put the pipe on here to inflate your air mattress or whatever. So then you got your jump leads with the boost button there for when you connect, and you also got reverse light on there in case you connect it the wrong way, so it's protected. It's not going to damage any of your electrical components in case you connect it the wrong way around. And then you got your connector to screw at the back there on the side to do your tire pressures or whatever. There's also adapters here if you're doing a football or if you're pumping the tire pressures on your bike or something like that. So all the adapters are here. Then you got USB-C charger here if you want to obviously charge your tool up. And this is the pipe with a couple of connectors for the side bit here, obviously to pump your air mattress or whatever. I'm going to find the adapters quickly. There you go, that's all the adapters, all the different sizes that you screw in there. So that's pretty handy as well. And it also comes with the bag. Right, so I'm going to quickly pop the bonnet and get to the battery. Take the cover off. So this is really easy to use. You literally got a power button here. The screen will come on. So if you're on the light, which is the LED light here, you press the light bulb button and the LED will come on. So it's not bad, to be honest. I wouldn't say it's super bright, but it's not bad at all. You press it again, it starts flashing, and then it flashes slowly. So this is for the emergency, or if you're obviously working on your car, you need to see what you're doing in case you're broken down. So you got the screen here with different settings. So you got the truck there. So this is for the tire pressures. It's on 250 kPa. If you press it again, it changes to the car, then bicycle, basketball, and your personal one that you can adjust to whatever you want it to be by going up and down. So it changes the values there to whatever you want it to pump the tire pressures to, and once it gets to that value it cuts off and won't overdo it. So also if you want to change it from kPa to psi or any other reading, just press and hold the M button. You see it's on bar now. For what we're doing now, also while we're here, if you want to use that, just literally press that and you can feel the air coming out. But for what we're doing here now, you literally just need to peel this rubber off the cover and obviously connect this the right way around. It goes in, and then make sure you connect the leads the right way around. Like I say, it is protected if you do it the wrong way around, but ideally you put the black on the negative on the battery and red on the positive. There you go. And all you have to do now is press the boost button here Yeah, and the indicator just flashed on the car, so it's a good start, and I heard the windows moving as well. Right, the indicators are working, so it's a good start. The window dropped and the lights are on. Try and start up. Lovely, look at that. It didn't even hesitate. So all you do now is just disconnect it. And that's it. While we're here, I'm going to show you how quickly you can go from jump starting the car to doing tire pressure on your car. So just screw that in quickly. That's done. Now just take the cap off. And all you have to do is push it on and lock it in. At this point, just turn it on. It'll tell you the tire pressure that's currently in there, and then you press go and it pumps it up to desired tire pressure that you want in your tire. I want it to be 2.3, so if you want it lower you just go down, if you want it higher you go up. So 2.3, and it's showing me that it's currently 1.9. So all you have to do is press power. And as you can see, it got to 2.3 and it switched off automatically. So as you can see, it's honestly a really handy tool to have in your car for any emergencies, or like I say, if you're going away somewhere and the car's going to be standing in the airport or elsewhere for a week or two, you never know if you're going to come back and you're going to start, or even if you're struggling to start, this thing is perfect. Just chuck it in the boot in the bag and it's out of the way, and when you need it, and trust me you will, it'll be there. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye.